In this Wix website builder tutorial, let's take a look at how to add your business logo. So we need to navigate to the website that you want to add and find your way to the dashboard, whether you're clicking this select and edit or just getting to your dashboard another way. Now on the lower left-hand side, we're going to find settings. Inside of settings, we're going to find business info. Inside of business info, we have logo. Now it does give us some options here for best results. Use high resolution square image, which a square image is probably going to work best. And then 100 by 100 pixels minimum, but you could do like 1,000 by 1,000 if you wanted. You can also create a logo here on Wix. I think I have a tutorial on that if you want to search that up. But then we can just upload the image here. So we're going to click on that button and you're going to navigate to the image. You can actually just utilize an image that's already uploaded to your website. Like if you already have some site files, you can explore media from Wix, etc. But if you just want to upload an image that's on your desktop or something, click this blue button, upload media, and we can click upload from computer. You have a lot of other connected options if it's sitting in a Google Drive or something, but I'm going to click upload from computer and then find the correct logo on my desktop and hit upload. Now it's going to add this file in, and once it adds it in, you can actually click to select it, make sure it's selected, the one that you want, and you could edit or crop it if you need to, make adjustments, but if you don't need any adjustments, just click choose file in the lower right, and that's going to upload that file as your business logo. But you do need to save it. So in the upper right, there's a blue button that says save. And so once you do that, you've got your business logo uploaded, and you can go in and replace image again if you need to. That's how you can add your business logo here on Wix.